Hi everyone, I hope you are all fine. Today I will show you how to select any elements based on its common criteria and parameters values in Autodesk Revit by using a very pretty plugin from Solvit Plus named Selection Plus. Underneath of this video you will find all links for downloading Selection Plus. Now let's start. Selection Plus plugin is a very advanced and handy tool to select all similar elements based on one or more parameters values of a packed element. Revit provides a simple command to select similar instances of a selected element. For example, if you select this wall, which its type is type partition wall, Revit can select all walls that have the same type. Right click, select all instance visible in view. As you can see, all walls related to this type are selected automatically. But with Selection Plus you can do much more than that. To use Selection Plus, go to Solvit Plus tab and click on Selection Plus icon. This is the interface of the plugin. Using Selection Plus is so easy. Just click on Pick Element button. For example, choose this wall. Here you can find all instance and type parameters related to the selected base element. You can choose, for example, comments, which its value is internal, and just click on Select. Selection Plus will automatically select all elements in the project that its comments equal to internal. Here we can find a very good option. If you click on it, Selection Plus will select also the walls within the group which have the same value. Let's try another example. Click on Pick Element. Click on this door. You find here in comments the word glazed. Click on comments and click on select button. This will select all elements in the project that its comment parameter have the word glazed, which in these examples 6 doors and 3 railing. You can try all the options you want. Say let comments are checked and select category and finish material. Click on select. This will select 4 doors only that have the same criteria we are selecting here. We can try another example. Let's pick this glaze type and click on area, category, height, and click on select. As you can see, parameters values we have chosen give us one single selection. Let's remove this and this and select this option. Now we have a large number of curtain panels are selected and have the same criteria we are choosing. I hope this was useful and see you soon with new plugins and tricks. Bye bye.